We are here. We got a beater box unboxing for you, and we are live. A major babe alert. Look at that. Yeah, that's you.
Oh.
Yeah, that's my lady right there. That's Lola.
Hi.
At any rate, everybody that is here right now, thank you so much for joining in. We are about to get going on this beater box of an unknown value here because I'm going to have Lola guess the value of the shoes as we go through. So the rules are pretty simple. Lola gets to take a guess at the cost of the sneaker.
Sure do.
If she hits within the range, the sell now price and the buy now price, I have to take a beverage.
Yeah.
Jameson Caskmates Irish Stout style today. Now, if there is a Jordan that comes out of the box that is between Jordan 1 and 15, she has to guess what that Jordan is.
Last time I went 3 for 3. I
3
got
for
them
3.
all right.
If she can get the Jordan correct, that means that she doesn't have to drink, but if she gets it wrong,
I get to drink.
she has to drink. Beers here. We got some Coors Light, Coors Lattes on deck, Coors Smoothies.
Coors Smoothies.
Yes, Coors Latte Smoothies. The way that we're doing that is with Sneaker Bingo here. You need 25 different things with the free space in the middle, 8 or 9 brands, that being like Adidas, Jordan, Nike, Reebok, Puma. Then we did more specifics for some stuff that we find in beater boxes. So KD, Kobe, Dunk, SB, LeBron, Yeezy 700, Yeezy 350. So every time that we have it, the other person has to take a sip.
A nice little drink.
Just a little sip. I'm going to do the first box as a demonstration. This is just an example round. This was a raffle win that I got on one of the recent Yeezy launches. Yeezy Boost 380 Mists. Actually, what I have on my foot right now.
Nice foot model right here.
These are actually stupid comfortable. Size 12 and a half. You know, take a look or not?
Yeah. I mean, they were just in my face.
Yeezy Mists 380s. Really, really comfortable shoe. If you guys haven't had the chance, I would definitely recommend them as far as comfort-wise is concerned. They do fit a little bit on the small side, okay? So make sure that you go about a half size up with these, especially if you got a little bit more of a wider toe box. It's a little bit tighter. So if you have a narrow foot up in the forefoot, it is going to fit you a little bit tighter. Now Lola, what would you have to guess?
$225.
So again, she has to guess the cost within the buy it now and the sell it now range on StockX. Do you not have StockX on your phone?
No.
If we look at a size 12 and a half. Oh!
Am I
I
wrong?
don't have to take a shot. Yeah, 259 and 245. So no shots have to be taken on that one.
Can
However,
we just take one to start the game?
Yeah, we'll take one to start the game. Cheers.
Cheers.
If anybody else is having one along at home with us,
Cheers to all you
cheers
guys.
to you as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is an unknown cost beater box, so you guys can also feel free to guess along as we're opening it up.
Yeah, I would appreciate you guys guessing too. It'll help me a lot. Oh!
Wow. I like what I'm seeing right off
Me
at the
too.
top here. Very first pair, you're gonna have to guess right off the bat. We got a pair of
11s.
Jordans. Ah, damn. Jordan 11, she does not have to drink. We also get to start playing our sneaker bingo up here.
Is this a bread?
It is. Jordan 11
I
bread.
feel like I should get him to drink for knowing that.
Size 11 and a half. These are from 01. Really, really solid condition though. No sole separation that I'm seeing on it. There is a tiny bit of creasing on the patent there. They look really, really solid. So let's see, what do we have here?
We got the Jordan.
Jordan
We both
11
have
through
that.
15. That's what's up. I get to take that off.
And I can take off my Jordan, that's it.
All right, I get to take off my Jordan as well too. Again, the dead stock range for a size 11 and a half via StockX. Lola, taking a guess here.
My gut instinct was saying 190. I did see some people throw up some numbers there, so I appreciate that. And since my original guess fell between those two, we're gonna stick with it.
And the 2001 version, and right now on StockX, currently sell now price $279.
Whoa.
Buy now price $339. So
Wow,
yeah.
I was real off.
So All right, so we on to the next pair
I
here.
see a lot of Jordans in here and it's getting me a little nervous. They're not Jordans.
This is not Jordan though. What are these right here?
These are Pharrell Human Race.
Hey, there you go. Do you know which pack they're from?
Species.
These are from the Holly pack, is what pack these are from.
I like these a lot. I want these in my size.
They're
so
size
bad.
9.5, so they're a little bit too big for
Yeah,
you.
way too big, but that's okay.
Yeah. Good condition. There's definitely a little bit of staining you can see on the heat. Still overall solid. Again, 9.5, no box on these. We got some loosies
The
in
boxes
there.
actually aren't.
Oh yeah, so again, 9.5, no box. We're guessing the dead stock cost of this right now.
$240.
$240, okay. The pink glow is the official colorway. Current buy now price, $237. The current sell now price, $181. Yeah.
I think you have
So
Pharrell.
that's Adidas. I do have Pharrell. Look at this. So we got Pharrell.
And Adidas.
Ooh, pair of Cortez Kennys. Base size, 4.5. You know who Cortez Kenny is?
I do not.
Kenny? Kung Fu Kenny? You don't know Kung Fu Kenny? It's
Okay.
Kendrick Lamar.
They're teeny.
These are really little, very small
This I'm gonna have
size.
zero idea how much something like this is gonna cost. Just an FYI.
They're in very good condition. They actually might be dead stock or tried on condition. These are super, super lightly worn. But they are a size 4.5. I actually do not have a great idea of the size range on, or the price range on that. Cortez Kenny 3, and what looks to be dead stock condition, size 4.5. Any guesses as to what these could be?
Since I have never heard of these, I'm gonna guess 170.
Sell now price 65, buy now price 155.
Wow.
At any rate, that right there, that was Nike
And
right
the
there.
women's size.
That's a collaboration too. Collaboration between Nike and Kung Fu Kenny. Next up here we have a pair of Jordans, and these are in a size 10.5. They're a low version of which Jordan?
11.
Ah,
Same as the first pair we got, except these are low and those were high.
size 10.5.
I
Jordan
wish I
11,
remembered
bread
what the
low.
price was.
What the what?
The price was on the high. It was like 300.
The price of lows and
Are
highs
very different.
is very different.
But it gives me a little bit of a gauge.
Absolutely.
I want him drinking. Hey, if any of you guys out there want to be looking this up and telling me what the price is, we can get him real drunk.
Size 10.5, bread 11 low. These come with the original box. What do we got? What's your guess?
$250.
The sell now price is $254, and the buy now price is $299.
Ah!
I don't think we have
That's it.
anything to take down. Yeah, that's all we got there. We have another pair of Jordans here, a size 11.
I get these wrong all the time, and he knows it.
She does. She gets them wrong a lot.
Oh wait, these are forced.
They are. They are forced.
The speckles threw me off.
Well, they shouldn't.
I know, but I doubted my knowledge.
Size 11 right here.
All right,
Jordan 4 cements.
all right, shoe game crazy. I'm trusting in you.
Oh man.
Let's get him drunk.
These are again a size 11, original box, very, very solid condition overall. They have very minimal star wear, very minimal heel drag. There's a little bit of wear. I will need to clean them up a hair, and some yellowing on the cage.
Yeah, I love
Now this is a little bit of a question actually. I don't know if any of you guys that do like restoration work, can I use soul sauce on cages and stuff to get rid of the yellowing there? That's something I'm very, very interested in. I'm working on a couple of pairs, getting the soles nice and icy, and I was wondering if you could use it for some of the other yellowing that occurs on sneakers. What do you think?
$325.
$325. Price range, sell it now, $365, buy it now, $399.
I got it
Covering
right.
up to $350 plus, yeah. Yeah, you did get it right. $375 is what you said. Okay. Man, those are selling for a lot of money.
Alright, now that we already took the shot, I have a confession to make.
What?
It's not my guess, though. What my guess was.
You're an asshole. What was it? What was your guess?
$325.
Fuck.
I got another confession.
Oh my
Right.
god. 3 more pairs left to go. Right now we have gone through 5 pairs? 8 pairs total in this box. Size 9.5. We got a Jordan. What kind of Jordans could these be?
Can I hold it? it's a 5, but I need to hold it. Pretty positive it's a 5.
I'm not gonna tell you what it is.
I know you're not, but that's my gut is saying it's a 5.
Gut's saying a 5? You going 5?
Yeah.
It's a 5. God damn, she's pretty good at guessing her Jordans from like 1 through 17 or so.
Well, numbers 2 and 3 I always get mixed up.
I know, I'm just praying and hoping that we get a 2 and a 3 for the last 2.
I'll take a shot regardless. How about that?
Alright, well, you know, we'll see. Black metallics. These are in very, very good condition from 2016, more recent release. Other than a little bit of wear on the bottom, they're in good condition.
I like these a lot. I'm going $3.15.
It's sell now price $280, buy now price $324. Looks like your boy's having another beverage right quick.
I'll take one with you because I love you.
Aw, you're so sweet. I love you too. Cheers.
Nothing else to pull off, unfortunately.
Nothing to
Nothing's
feel.
vintage, no soul separation, no smoke odor.
Next up, Jordan 5s in a size 10.5, and I just gave away what model it is.
I feel like he needs a shot for that.
I fucked up yet again.
So he did this last video too. He read the Jordan 5.
And it was a Jordan 5, and I bet you it's a fucking grape again. Watch, it's gonna be a grape again.
That would be hysterical.
Oh no, it's not.
Metallic.
It's just another metallic.
So this is what we do when he fucks up.
Shotgun.
Shotgun.
Ah, son of a bitch, gonna make me shotgun a beer.
Give some love
real
if you want him to
quick.
give a shotgun right now. So if you don't know how he shotguns, it's typically done within less than 3 seconds. So what I like to do is I count it out as he goes.
It's a lot of pressure.
It is.
Here we go,
Let's
squad.
count 1, 2. Whoa. My man.
Woo! Lola still has to guess the cost on this pair. In really, really good condition. Just a little bit of creasing.
I was doing some investigating because we just guessed this one, and I do have one question before I guess. You don't have to answer, but it's a question.
Yeah.
Does the size drastically change the price?
It can, but it depends on the sneaker. So typically with your Jordans, anywhere from like a Jordan 1 through an 11, it's not gonna change crazy dramatically unless it's a really, really hype sneaker, but it will change. There are definitely ranges that are more expensive. Jordans tend to hit pretty good along all size ranges for the most part, especially if it's a more popular Jordan. This right here is more of like one of the classic Jordan 5s, if you will.
Yeah.
So it's definitely going to have a little bit more value across the entire spectrum.
I'm gonna stick with the same thing I guessed before. $3.15.
$315, okay. And you're right still. Our sell now is $288. Buy now is $319. Whereas for the size 9.5, the sell now is $280. The buy now is $324.
Got it.
So you can see
Oh,
that
difference, not
it's a
big.
little bit of a difference, but it's not that big.
Oh
So-
man, sneaker rules are hard.
Cheers, here we go. We got nothing to take off our bingo board. One last pair here, guys. Another pair of Jordans. I'm not going to say what number it is
Oh,
because I
bummer.
fucked it up before. Right here is a pair of Jordan 7s. Wow, jeez. Actually,
I like these a lot.
I know, and you know what?
Look at those colors.
I don't know the colorway on this. I want to say it's Barcelona Days, is my
Love
guess.
it.
The
It's
colors
like-
are sick.
You don't see it. It's like subtle. I
It's
like
a
it.
nice blend. It's a fucking really nice blend of colors on this.
Oh, thank you for helping. I appreciate that.
What do we got? Price range?
No,
No, he's throwing out the 7s?
Yeah.
Damn.
Bottom's got a bit of wear.
A little bit. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. Not terrible, though.
A little bit of love, cleaning them up.
Yeah, right?
Good to go.
These are from 2015. Again, a size 11. The Jumpman is still intact on the bottom. Yeah, the bottom. It's really just the bottom. The rest of the shoe's in really, really good
Do you
condition.
want to know how I knew these were a 7?
How?
Because I think this looks like a 7.
Okay. Right now, the guess stands at, what was it, 175 you said?
175.
175. Sell now price $150. Buy now price $200. All right, We are actually going now. Thank you guys again for tuning in. We'll be back soon. We'll have some other videos, some cool stuff coming out in the near future. So stay tuned. Much love.
Peace.
Peace, peace. So post-video shotgun right here for the fans.
Give them what they want.
Yeah.
Let's see if this one's gonna be the same timing as the last one. Might be better.
I want to go for a 2-gulper here.
Hey, look, your brother joined.
Oh, Zuti Boobop. Everybody's joining at the end of the video. You guys, we already opened the box. This one is not going quite as smoothly as the last one is. That's okay.
Here we go. Let's count. 1. A little slower. I will always say that never fails to amaze me how you can do that. He's like, it's no big deal.
Woo! So slow, not impressed. Wow.
Who said that? I'll fight you. It's Tom.
That's my younger brother saying that he's not impressed. That's